So, hi sir, can I have a quick Q&A session with you?
Sure, please.
So the sir first question is how long you have been in the markets and how did you start?
I started in I think 2005, so that's about 20 years. And I started with mutual funds, but started investing in stock market from around 2008. Yeah.
And so the next question is what do you think about the current market trends and what's your suggestion to the young investors?
See, generally I don't bother much about short-term trends, right? So the thing is, in the long term, if you are bullish about Indian markets, then you should be investing in stock markets, right? So if you think about short-term trends like in 2008 or in COVID, we will definitely have those recessionary periods. But similarly, this time will again get over, right? Sometime in the future. So right now, yeah, yes, we are feeling the heat because of the tariffs, but this will also be over.
Yeah.
And I think India will definitely have a bright future in the long term.
So as you have mentioned about the tariff, so what do you think the upcoming market trend will be and how much this Trump triumph will have the impact in the Indian markets?
See, again, as I said, this trend will be there only for short term, right? And India will gain in future definitely. And as you have seen that the tariffs are relatively lower compared to other Asian markets, right? So it's about average 27%. Whereas if you see, China has got about 34%, and other Asian markets have got much higher.
Much higher.
So I think a lot of industries are going to gain from this.
Okay.
And at the same time, we are only talking about export market here, right? Which is a very small fraction, right? And this is not going to impact our software market in the exports, right? Pharma is still excluded from this.
Yeah.
So anyway, in the short term, we will see what is going to be the impact, but I am very bullish on the long term.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.